Hey beauties, today we just launched our 3.0 Vibes liquid lipstick collection. Now let's check it out. So this collection is inspired by fall in Miami. So we have the Miami Spice set, which comes with 3 neutrals, and the Miami Night set, which comes with some bright, fun colors. So Miami Spice, you're gonna have SoBe, Calle Ocho, and Aventura. This is the Miami Night set. It's full of some fun colors. We have Downtown MIA, which is Miami, and then we have the Grove and Wynwood. So both of these sets are $50 each, or you can buy these shades individually. So now Denise, Ileana, and I are gonna swatch 3.0 Vibes. So the first shade we have is Aventura. Aventura is the perfect fall red. It's described as a true cool brick red. Now let's swatch SoBe. SoBe is a nude, but it's a little different. It's more on the cool tone side. It's described as a cool sand nude. Now let's swatch Calle Ocho. Calle Ocho is another nude, but it's a bit deeper. It's described as a warm tan brown. Now for some of the fun colors, we're gonna swatch Wynwood. Wynwood looks a little bit different in the bottle than when you put it on your lips. I feel when you put it on your lips, it becomes very bright and bold, but also wearable. It's described as a vibrant reddish pink. Next lip shade is the Grove. The Grove is an army green, which we've always wanted here on the team, and it is described as a deep neutral olive. And the last shade, we're taking it to Downtown Miami. So Downtown Miami is a blue. Don't be afraid of it though, because it's very wearable. No matter what skin tone you put it on, you're gonna be surprised. While it is still a blue, it's really pretty. So it is described as a cool royal blue. All right, beauties, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and we hope you find your next favorite lippy. Let us know which one you're picking up down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, beauties.